I am a big fan of OpenAIRE, of course, that is very clear. And I think that very simply, so OpenAIRE is an open international data model. And if you use OpenAIRE, if you produce your own data with OpenAIRE, then applications can understand each other because the data is semantically coherent. You understand each other's data. And I think it's very, very important that, applications don't produce data in a proprietary data format. I mean, it does not make any sense. Of course, it should be understandable by other applications as well. And then you can change applications. You don't have to do very, very expensive, cumbersome migrations when you change applications. So like Rachel always says, data is for life. And this is the essence of the whole OpenAIRE.